On the cloud. Okay. So this meeting is being recorded. Okay. So I do teach mathematics and physics. I used to work in a software company earlier. So that and I'm based out of Hyderabad. So what I require from you is three things. What class are you studying in? And what is your name, obviously? And what are your hobbies? So we'll start with Aradhya.
Wait, teacher, do we have to write our school?
No, it's not required. You just upfront tell me. So we'll start with Aradhya.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
My name is Aradhya and I study in 7th class. My hobby
Seven.
is dancing.
Okay. And what's your hobby?
Yes, sir. My hobby is dancing.
Okay. I couldn't quite catch you. Your voice is breaking. Anyway, we'll come to and there is some girl next to you. Is she your sister?
No, sir. He's my brother.
Your brother. Okay. Hi. His name is
Yes.
Bhagat, right?
Yes.
Okay. Which class are you studying in?
Bhagavad Second.
Second. Oh, he's very young.
Second.
Okay. Cool. And Bani?
I study in the 4th class
Mm-hmm.
and my hobbies are playing badminton.
Badminton. That's good. That's very good. Excellent. Okay. Then we have Niranjan. I know him since last so many, I think, months or so. Fine, Niranjan. Please go on.
Okay, my name is Niranjan. My class is 3B and I study in grade 3.
Mm-hmm.
My hobbies are running or doing or drawing, sometimes taking photographs also.
Sometimes taking photographs also. Okay, Bani.
Yeah.
Once again, you're gone on.
And also
Your video is
I
off.
like to play with, and sometimes I like to play with my two pets.
Okay. See, you are in this workshop, which is called life skills. So, what is a life skill mean? Anybody of you? What are life skills? Any?
Helping ourselves.
Yeah, good point. Helping ourselves. Helping ourselves when? So, life skills has two words. One is life, one is skill. Helping to develop skills so that we can do well in life. We can prosper in life, right? What is a skill? Skill is
Something
anything.
we can do. Something we can do.
Yeah, skill is like you play badminton. That's a skill. I mean, Bani plays badminton. That's a skill, right? So anything which you like to do is a skill. But there are various life skills which you need to develop at a very young age. Okay. So we'll go through that. This is the agenda of the program. What is life skill? How does it help? Different types of life skills, and we'll summarize it. Okay. Okay. The first most important thing is the definition of life skill. So, what is, as correctly mentioned by our friend Niranjan, life skill refers to the skills you need to make the most out of your life. Okay. Basically, this skill is used for to deal well and effectively with the challenges of life. Now, what do you mean by challenges of life? Any idea? What is the meaning of challenges of life? Guess. Anything is fine. Any answer. No answer is wrong.
Something that we can't do.
Yeah, something you cannot do.
Something we can't do, sir.
Something you cannot do. Some sudden problem comes in your life, and you are stuck up. You don't know what to do. So those skills you need to develop now as you're young. Okay. So that's there. Now, there are some skills like I like to drive a car, but driving a car won't help me in my when I grow up, right? In the sense that I'll drive a car, but if suddenly some problem comes, a challenge comes, driving a car won't help me, right? I need to have some other skill. So what is that skill? That we'll find it out. There are some essential skills which you need to have in life. Okay. Okay. Please note this down. The next slides onwards. Okay. The first skill that you need to uh, learn in life, or you need to accept is kindness, polite, and compassionate. Okay. So what does it mean? You should always be kind to others. Now, what does always be kind to others mean? Bani?
Kind to others means to do things which
Huh?
they
I'm sorry?
kind to others means doing things which the other people appreciate.
Yeah, correct. So when you talk to people, right? Your parents or your sister, brother, or your friends or anybody, you should be always you should always talk in a kind manner. You should not talk in a rough manner. Okay, you should be polite and gentle to your class teacher, to your parents, anybody, to your sister, younger sister also, anybody younger than you or elder than you. And every word that you say should be full of kindness. You should not shout. Okay, that's the meaning. That's the first point. Second point is be polite while speaking to your parents and your other cousins and your relatives. Okay, if anybody shouts at you, you should not shout back. You should remain silent. Just keep quiet. Because what happens if you shout back? What can happen? A fighting can happen. An argument can happen. Right? So if you don't say anything, he will only shout. In 5 minutes, he will stop shouting. Got it? He'll get bored. Oh, this guy is not reacting. So don't react. Keep quiet. Close your eyes. Let him shout. That's it. And for people who are not well, you should be compassionate. What does compassionate mean? It's a kind of kindness. You should show, okay, he's not well. He's not well. You should try to help him by taking him to the doctor or getting him some medicines or asking him for if any help is required, giving him food, things like that. So this is the most important skill that you should develop. Kindness, politeness, and compassionate. Got it? And if others shout at you, what would you do?
Keep silent.
Keep silent, close your eyes. Like this, like Gautam Buddha. And he will stop shouting at you. Okay? And still you will talk to him very politely. If he shouts at you also, you should talk to him politely. Okay? In short, you should love everybody. Love your cousins, your father, your mother, your relatives, your sister, everybody. So this is the most important life skill that you should develop. Okay? So you can write it down. Aradhya, are you writing it down?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine, no problem. Thank you. Okay, let's go to the second important life skill. Okay, let me go back to so do you see this drawing?
Yes, sir.
So what does it indicate? A boy is crying and he's trying to help him out by putting hand like this. So you should always give a helping hand, be kind to him. Okay, let's go to the next one, which is second life skill.
Second life skill.
Which is be independent. Okay, you see this fish
Yes,
coming
sir.
out of the water and jumping?
And jumping into the another waterfall.
Yeah, jumping into another waterfall. So what does it mean? It means it is independent. That means he is able to do his own work alone. So once you get up in the morning, you should clean your bed. Okay? Make it neat and clean. Clean your room. Okay? Keep your books properly in shelf. Got it? And this way, if you do it, what will happen? Your parents will be happy that my child is independent. Right? You organize your books properly, all maths books together, all science books together. Okay, all social sciences book together, all Hindi, English books together, so that you don't have to find it out. Right? Okay. And you should help your parents when they wash the clothes of yours. So most of you have got washing machine at home.
Yes, sir. Sir.
So you know how it works. Okay. So once in a while, ask your parents to teach you how to use a washing machine. Okay, so that independently you can wash your own
Yes, sir.
clothes.
Every
Okay.
Saturdays and some Wednesdays, I put my own clothes in the washing machine because I know
That's
how
good. That's very good. That's excellent.
to.
So do you guys help your parents in kitchen?
Yes, sir. Yeah, sometimes in cooking or
Cooking
baking.
also. That's very good. What about you, Aradhya? So do you help your mom or dad in kitchen?
Excuse me, sir.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah. Please tell me.
Sir, sorry to interrupt in the middle of the session. Sir, I got a call from my school and joined the meeting. So can I leave?
Oh, you got a call from your school?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, you can leave. If there is a call from your school, it's not a problem.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Okay. And do you go to shops to fetch groceries with your parents, Bani?
Some days I also go when my mother asks me to buy. One
Yes,
day
I
my
do.
mother asked me to buy sugar, and sometimes she asks me to buy oranges and fruits and other stuff. And then I
Right.
go to the nearby house. I go to the nearby grocery downstairs and the nearby uh, shop downstairs, and then I buy them there.
That's
Buy
very
them.
good. That's excellent. That's excellent. So what about you, Aradhya? Do you go for grocery shopping?
I also go it by myself.
Okay.
Yes, and I help my mom in the kitchen work.
That's very good. Very nice to hear. And what about you, Bani?
I help my mom shopping and my father. I cook sometimes too. Like today morning, I made paratha.
Paratha.
I
That's very good.
I also wash some clothes, and I
Okay.
also bake muffins.
Muffins. Oh, that's so nice of you. That's very good. Excellent. So do you all make your own bed? Clean your own bed, room?
Yes.
Yes. So you're laughing, Bani. So what does it mean?
Sometimes I do. Sometimes my mother.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Try to make it every time. Okay. So that you are independent and don't depend on others to do your work, right? It's your work, it's your bed. So you should do it. Okay, that's the second life skill. Try to be independent. Okay. The third life skill, cope up with failures in life. Now, life has success and failures both. Once you will succeed, you may not succeed. That's fine. You should take it bravely. You should be brave. If you fail, you should never get disappointed. That's fine. That's okay. You should move on in life. Okay. See, it is written failure is not the opposite of success, it is part of success. Okay. The opposite of success is not failure, it is part of success. So, suppose you write an exam and you don't do well. That's fine. That's fine. Don't get disappointed. Don't cry. You know, next time you try to improve upon it. Give your best shot. Okay. Give, I mean, put your mind into that so that you are sure that you will get good marks. Whatever you do the best. Okay. So this is about coping up with failures in life. This is the third life skill. Okay. Fourth one is should develop some hobbies apart from studies. You see these hobbies, list of hobbies, cycling, painting, or something else. This guy is doing something else. So I see that everybody has a hobby, right? Everybody likes to do something else apart from studies. So you
Yes.
should continue that hobby throughout your life. So what is the advantage of hobbies? You get away from the distractions of life. Okay, you will be on your own doing something like playing music or guitar. You will enjoy it. Okay, and always listen to elders, take their advice, and also express your own views. Okay, if somebody tells you something, listen to him and tell him your own views in a soft and a polite manner. Okay, so that's the fourth life skill. You should develop some interest, some hobby in life. Okay, tell me one thing. How many of you have gone to a stage and spoken?
Me, I went like since I was 3, I went.
Me?
You have spoken,
Yeah, I
Bani?
spoken. I not spoken exactly. Yeah,
Yes.
competition. spoken since I was 3 years old.
Okay, that's
I
good.
was
What about you, Aradhya? Do you have done any public speaking? Do you spoke in public in your class?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have any fear of that? Speaking in front of large amount of people?
Yes, sir.
You have some fear. Okay.
I don't have
Yeah.
much fear.
Try to overcome that fear. Do some practice. What you do is, you have a mirror, right? Talk to the mirror in front of the mirror. Okay, that's the best thing which you can do. Think that there are about 100 people sitting over there. Here. See, whenever you go to a stage, think that you know more than them. Okay. And they have come to listen to you. So that's very important. So if you are, if you go to a stage thinking that you don't know anything, then you will get nervous. You won't be able to speak. Nothing will come out of your mouth, right? So remove that fear at all. Nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. So go to a stage boldly and confidently that you know everything. Okay. So always develop the public speaking skill. If there are public speaking classes in your area or your locality, then please attend, because this is the one of the most important things that you should develop now, because once you grow up, it will be too late. Fine. So focus on public speaking to gain confidence and become successful in life. Fine. Let's go to the next one. And the last one, I think. Yeah. The next one is money. Okay. What is money? Anyone? Yeah.
Money is something to exchange.
Yeah. Something, that's the perfect answer. Something that you exchange. You give some money and you get something back. So it's an
Also,
exchange.
money is also a very precious. You should not spend money blindly.
Yeah. We'll come to that. We'll come to that in 1 minute. So money is an exchange, that Bani has correctly said. And the second one Niranjan said is, we should not spend money blindly. But my next question is, where does money come from?
Paper.
That's fine. Money comes from paper, that's fine. But who is earning the money that you're spending?
Your parents. Our parents.
Parents. Your parents are earning. Your parents are working hard daily to earn money, right?
My mother doesn't work. She's still about to get a job.
That's fine. Okay. So the income comes from our parents. They earn money. So what are the sources of income? One is your parents work somewhere. They earn money. Next is, if you have a property. Okay. Hi, Shri Ganesh. Thanks for joining.
Yeah, I'm a bit late because I was having a class. Sorry,
No
sir.
problem. That's fine. That's fine. No issues. No issues. So what is the second source of money?
We can sell property.
Yeah, that's good. That's a good thing. If you have a property, you can sell it. Third source of money is rental. If you have a flat or an independent house, you can give it for rent, and that from there you can get a money. You can invest in stock market and you can get money from there, right? So there are various sources of money. Now, why do we save money?
For future, if we need something urgent, we can use it.
No, that's fine. You needed something urgent, that's fine. You save it. But
We
you
save
told something
it.
else. You told something else, Shri Ganesh, for future, something like that.
We save it to use it when we need it.
We save it to use it when we need it. Right. That's the exact answer that I was looking for. So suppose you are 10-year-old and you save about some money. Then at 30 years, you require some money. So you save it. So that when you are 30, you get that money out. Right? Now, before asking anything from your parents, it's important for you to think if this item is important for me. So you go to your father and mother and ask, I need an iPhone. So do you think iPhone is required? Just because my neighbor has an iPhone or my classmate has an iPhone, you should not go to your parents and ask for an iPhone. Right? If it is required, your parents will buy it. Fine, agreed, Bani? Yeah, because every single, I mean, I don't know which country you are in right now, Bani, but as far as Indian thing is concerned, every single rupee is very important. It is the hard-earned money of our parents, right? So when we go and pester them and ask them, we need this, we need that.
My grandfather, when before Corona struck, he used to go to many places and then get me different places currency. My dad once went to China and then he got me Chinese currency. I have a lot.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Yeah. So see, ultimately, money drives everything. Okay, but we should be very careful with it in the sense that we should not spend it for the sake of spending it. Okay, we should be careful in spending it. Is it required? Is this required or not? Okay, fine. The third thing is, have you ever gone to a bank?
Yes.
I have.
Have you seen how they work?
Yes.
Yes.
The
Okay.
technology.
I have not gone to
So,
a bank before.
do you guys have a bank account?
Yes,
Not
we do.
yet. My mother
Yes.
said if I save enough money, I can have my own bank account. I don't have one
Okay.
yet.
I think somebody has a bank account.
I'm still
Bani?
saving.
You do?
Yes.
Okay.
I have when I got a cash prize.
Okay. So you got it. You got a cash prize and you put that in a bank account. Very good. See, learning of a bank is also very important. How banks work, how the financial systems work. Okay. Okay. Tell me one thing. What is an asset? Okay. Asset is something which you own. So tell me, Bani, what do you own? I own this T-shirt of mine. So this is an asset for me. This cell phone is an asset for me. Right? So in the same way, banks have assets and liabilities. Right? Now, what is the meaning of liability? It is opposite to asset. Asset is yours. Liability is somebody has given you, you need to give it back. Okay, for example, loan. Our parents take loan to buy a car or a house. So till till the moment we pay the loan, the whole loan, it is a liability on us. Got it? Understood? When we pay the whole loan, the car is ours. Nobody can take it from us. Suppose I buy a car, I take a loan, I don't pay the loan, then the bank people will come and take the car. Okay. So for them, this is an asset. For me, this is a liability. Got it? So these are some money matters which you should develop as a life skill. You should understand now itself. How does a bank work? What is an ATM? ATM, anytime machine. I can't hear you, Bani.
Is it automatic transaction machine?
Yeah. Automatic transaction machine. That's correct. So you can key in your debit card or some other card and get the money out of it, right? Yeah, it functions that. So it belongs to a bank. ATM belongs to a bank. Okay. There is a person sitting in the bank called teller. Have you seen him? Okay.
I have seen one.
Okay. So what does he do, Bani?
He sits at a computer and types something. I'm not really
Yeah.
sure.
Yeah. So a teller is a person which gives you money and takes money from you to deposit in your account. Okay. So suppose you give him a check, he gives you the equivalent amount of money back. And suppose you give him a money, he will deposit that money into your account. That's what his job is. We can do that in an ATM also, but the teller also does the same thing. Got it? So in a nutshell, this life skill is also one of the most important thing. Okay, saving money and buying things only if we need it, not because any other person has it around. Okay, getting to know about a bank. How does a bank work? What is an account? What is a savings account? What is a fixed deposit account? Okay, tell me, what is a fixed deposit account? Okay, fixed deposit is nothing but what happens is, suppose you have some money which you have saved. Now that money is lying in your savings account, right? It's not growing. It's there still. Now, if you put it in a fixed deposit, what happens? They give you an interest. That is 10% interest or 8% or 7%. That means at the end of the year, your money will increase by so much interest amount. So these are called fixed deposits. Your deposits are locked for 1 year. If you take out the money for in between, you will be fined for by a small amount, but you will be fined. Fine. So there are various other instruments. These are called instruments of the bank. Fixed deposits and loans. Okay. And things like that. So let us summarize what we have learned. Okay, you guys tell me, what is the first skill that we learned, life skill?
Help other people. Be
Be kind,
and
be polite, and be compassionate to others. Right? Always help each other. And if any other person shouts at you, remain calm. you don't react. He will stop shouting at you.
Mhm.
Okay. Because if you also start shouting at him, it will become a fight.
Mhm.
Okay. And if a person is not well, we should help them. We should call them up, check them if they need anything. If they need some medicines or any food items, we should give them. Okay.
Mhm.
Second is independent. You should be independent. Means you should do your own work
By
in the
yourself.
house. Whatever your room, your bed, your shelf, you should clean it properly.
And you
Okay.
should also try to help another people.
Ah, if
Not
you are
because
helping your parents in the kitchen, it's very good. Okay. And always visit with them to a grocery store, see around just to check what all things are there. And the bill that they give at the end, try to see if the bill is correct, if it matches, if the total matches. These small things can be done by us, right? So this improves our math skills also, our mathematics skills also. You can do a quick addition. And you should try to wash your own clothes. Okay. The second one, cope up with failures. So life will give you failures
you
at
shouldn't.
every stage. Even now, you should not be disappointed. You should be happy always. Okay, I've got less marks. That's fine. I'll try my best the next time. I'll give my best shot. Right?
Mhm.
That's important, right?
Yes.
And we should be bold and brave. Okay, never give up. If we fail, we should never give up. We should retry it again. Okay. Okay. Third thing is hobbies. This is an important life skill. The hobby of public speaking. If you don't have that hobby, try to develop it. Speak in front of a mirror if you are afraid to speak among 10 people or 5 people or 100 people. Try to do a public speaking course at your age so that when you grow up, this skill will help you. A lot of people struggle when they go onto a stage. Even I used to struggle. So when I was of your age, even I couldn't read a single line in my class. I used to be so scared. Okay, so yeah, but once you grow up, you will face this challenge of speaking in public. You should not think what others will think. Let them think what they want. Okay, you should be confident. Okay, so develop this skill, public speaking skill, apart from your hobbies and the money. Okay, so money, you should try to save it, and we should ask our parents things which we require, which are important to us, not because somebody has it. Okay. And try to visit banks frequently, check what they are doing, how bank works, what is a loan, what is a deposit, and all these things. The banking terms. If you develop it now, this skill, it will help you once you grow up. Right? Okay, so these were my 5 or 6 skills that I wanted to share with you. So I'm done with mine. So do you have any questions, please?
No, I don't.
Niranjan, Bani, and Shri Ganesh? You don't have?
It's clear, sir.
Okay. Okay. Was it useful or? Was it
very
useful?
useful, sir. I got so many new knowledge.
Okay. Have you noted it down?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I-
some of them.
I took up
Okay.
space on my entire paper.
Yeah, just note it down and see, go through it once if it makes sense to you or not. Okay, I'm reachable. Do you all know Srija ma'am? Or Pratibha ma'am?
Yeah,
Yeah.
both,
So
both
if
are
you
my
need to,
mother's friends.
yeah. So if you need to find, contact me, you can tell them, and I can be in touch with you if you want. Okay. So fine. So I'll close it now, and we will might be meet soon. Okay. So Bani, where are you from?
I'm from Germany. Actually, I'm from India, but I'm living in Germany.
Germany. Okay, that's great. Thank you. Thank you for joining, all three of you.
Thank you,
Yeah.
sir.
Bye. Take care.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.